A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the online English class. So children, today we are going to learn I sound three-letter words. We have already done it in nursery. Let us begin. Let us quickly see what we have. So the first is IB, IB sound words. Example, BIB, bib, RIB, rib. Alright children, so B says B, so B-I-B bib and R says R, R-I-B rib. And what is bib? It is a small apron kind of thing which children wear while feeding, and rib is set of bone which protects our heart and lungs. So now the next is ID sounds. So examples are KID kid, K says K, तो K से क्या हुआ kid, L says L, LID lid. Kid means बच्चे, children, small children, and lid means ढक्कन, कैप जो lid होती है किसी भी jar की, that is called lid, LID lid. So these are ID words, KID kid, LID lid. Now the next is IM sound words. So the first is dim, DIM dim. D says D, DIM dim. R says R, RIM rim. So as you can see in the picture, dim means very low intensity of light. Dim lights कहते हैं हम लोग उसको, ठीक है. And rim means किसी चीज़ का भी जो corner होता है, just like you can see the rim of the basket here. Now the next is IN sound. PIN pin, BIN bin. P says P, B says B. तो पिन एंड बिन. पिन क्या होती है? पिन you all know, and bin is bin we use for dustbin. Alright children, you can see it in the picture. There are different kinds of pin, and for dustbin we use word bin, bin, bin we use for dustbins also. Alright, now the next is IP sound words. IP, IP. जैसे कि हो गया LIP lip, L says L तो LIP हो गया lip, and Z says Z, so ZIP zip. Now both of these words you have already done in nursery, you know it, okay, and you can very well see it in the picture what is lip and what is zip. So it is clear now. So now we move to the next sound, that is IT, it sound words. So IT says it. So the first example is KIT kit, and next is SIT sit. K says K, तो KIT kit का मतलब क्या होता है? Anything which is a set of things which is kept organized in a bag is kit, and sit मतलब बैठना, कहीं पर भी बैठना is called sit. Now the next is X sound words. Just like mix. Mix मतलब मिलाना, दो तीन चीज़ों को एक साथ मिलाने को क्या कहते हैं? Mix, MIX, mix. M says M, तो MIX हो गया mix. Now the next is six. All of you know what is the spelling of six? SIX six. S says S और X sound word, IX X होता है, तो SIX six. Six is a number. Now we come to the next part. So this is your phonics book, and we will do some exercises related to I sound words. So the first is this page number. Here we will just trace the I sound words, two-letter words. IB ib, ID id, IM im. Now come down. Next is IN in, IP ip, IT it. Alright children. Children, this was page number 8. Now we come to the next page, that is page number 31. Page number 31 of your phonics 2 book. So here you can see 3-letter phonic words along with picture. Alright, so the first one is BIB bib. So the first one is bib. Bib we have already studied just now. What is bib? Bib is a apron, small apron kind of a thing which children wear. Now the next is nib, nib. Nib क्या होती है? पेन या पेंसिल की जो नोक होती है ना, जो टिप, उसे निब कहते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज रिब. रिब आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज बिड. बिड मीन्स बोली लगाना. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज किड. किड ऑल्सो यू हैव डन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज लिड. लिड भी हम लोगों ने पहले सीख चुके हैं. लिड मीन्स ढक्कन. So now children, we come to the next page, that is page number 32. Here it is again 3-letter phonetic words. I sound words. So the first is big, big. You can see the picture of an elephant over here. So the elephant symbolizes big, big. Big matlab bada. Now the next is dig, dig. Now in the picture you can see a dog digging the ground. Digging matlab khodna. dig, dig. Now the next is pig, pig. Alright, pig is an animal. We have already studied it in domestic animals. Pig, pig. Now the next is, come down, it is wig, wig. Wig means nakli bal, nakli hairstyle. You can see the arrow showing hair and hairstyle. It is wig, wig. Now the next is dim. Dim means dim light, low lights. You can see the lamp over here emitting, giving out dim light. Now let us repeat it. Big, big. Dig, dig. Pig, pig. Wig, wig. And dim, dim. Now we come to the next page, that is page number 33. So here also we will study a few more I sound words, 3-letter phonetic words. Alright, so let us begin. bin, bin. We have already studied bin, bin. Now the next is, bin को क्या कहते हैं? Dustbin भी कहते हैं, right. Now the next is pin, pin. Alright, इससे हम लोग बोर्ड पे या चीज़ों को एक दूसरे के साथ जोड़ते हैं. pin, pin. Now the next is tin, tin. Tin means tin के डिब्बे, tin के cans. Okay, tin, tin. You can see the picture. tin, tin. T से stir और in in, so क्या हो गया? tin, tin. Now we come down. Now the first picture is hip, hip. It is a part of body. You can see the arrow. The boy is also showing the part hip, hip. Now the next is lip, lip. Lip we have already studied. Lip, lip, and you can see the picture also. And the last one is zip, zip. Now we come to the next page, that is page number 34. So the first word is over here, bit, bit. Now you can see there is a hand showing bit और 2 fingers point out कर रहे हैं कि बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है. Bit is a small portion of something. Now next is fit, fit. The girl is exercising over here. She is being fit, active. Now the next is hit. Hit means marna. Now here in the picture the girl is hitting the ball with the racket. Now the next is kit, kit. Children, what is kit? Kit is a bag or a box which contains all the essentials such as first aid kit. Now the next is pit. You can see the picture pit. Pit means gaddha. Now the last one is sit, sit. Sit matlab baithna. You can see in the picture the girl is sitting. Okay, so sit, sit. Alright children, I hope you have understood these pages. Now I will give you homework related to these pages, I letter words, and you will do it in a nice, neat and clean handwriting. Alright, till then stay safe, stay at home, and keep learning. Bye bye.